Hi everyone, welcome back to Is a Mentor. This is D20 project number 20 and we have another new project which I got on offer. So let's start it guys. So here the client instruction. He's saying that script directory from the publicly accessible website and provide him an Excel file. Here is the site, okay, and he's saying that probably less than 2000 record in the entire directory. Collect the following data from the directory: business name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, contact name, contact email, website, and business tab. Okay, so this is the client instruction guys, and it's very simple. And I have already opened the Excel file where I have put all the information which client needed, business name and everything. Okay, so you also need to do that too. Okay, and then next what I did is I just copy the URL which the client provided to me, and I open and pasted here in Google. Okay, so now you can see this is the website guys. And before that, maybe this directory is not going to work in your location, then you can use any free VPN so that you can access to this, and then you can work for this project and you can complete the work. Okay, because our main job is to complete work and provide to the client. So in this case, if you also get the directory which is not working in your country, then you can use a tool to open the website. Okay, as the client instruction is we need to collect all the data from this directory guys. Okay, so here you can see there are different state. Like if I just click here, you can see they have mentioned different state. Okay, but our job is to collect data from all state. Okay, so we will select all state. Okay, here. Okay, and here if I just click here on business tab, so now you can see on the business tab there are multiple tab guys. Okay, on the business. Okay, so we need to collect data from all this. Okay, so first we will select the accountant. Okay, so when you select here accountant, and you need to complete all the data from here and copy. Okay, and then you will need to move to the next. Okay, so in this way you will need to select all of them guys and extract the data and edit it. Okay, so now I will just go here, and you can see I have select the accountant here in the business tab, and here I have already select all. Okay, and then I will just click here on search. Then you will need to wait until the complete data has been opened. So now if I just go back here, you can see guys they have mentioned their business name and the description, then email address, office phone number. Okay, and then their address. Okay, so it's very simple guys. So if you want to work on it manually, you can do it. If you want to use any technique, you can also use it. You can also use a ChatGPT for this project, and it will help you to collect the data. So first I will show you the manual process how you can do it, then I will also show you how to extract the data with the help of ChatGPT from this, and I will also provide you the prompt, which prompt you will need to use to collect the data. Okay, so first guys, what you will need to do, just copy their business name. Okay, just copy, yes, select the business name, and here you can see it's mentioned copy, so just copy it. Okay, and then come here, and here you will need to paste it. Okay, so this is your business name guys. Now it's time to collect their address. Okay, so here guys, if I just go back here, you can see it's mentioned their address, so you will need to copy this. Okay, just copy it until here. Okay, so you can see this is their address. Okay, so I will just copy this one. Okay, just copy it and then paste it here. Okay, and then let's go back here. You can see it's mentioned here FL Florida as their state. Okay, so just copy it and paste it here. And the city guys, you will need to, here you can see I will need to copy this. Okay, it's their city name. Okay, so I will just paste it here, because we need to separate all the data like address and then city, then state, then zip code. Okay, now I will open their zip code, copy their zip code. Okay, here is their zip code, and then just paste it here. Okay, Now it's time to collect their contact number. Okay, so here you can see guys, their office number is also mentioned here, so just copy, okay, and then paste it here. Now it's time to copy their email address. So here you can see guys, their email address is already mentioned here. Okay, so just copy and paste it here. Okay, now let me go back. Now here you can see their contact name is not available, so we will skip it. Okay, so whatever the data is available here, you will need to copy and paste. If it's not available, then you can skip it. But if the client told you that, like in the instruction, that hey, if the data is not available, you just go and do research and find it, then you can do it. But in this case, the client didn't instruct us to find the contact name if it's available. Okay, so as I already know that when you're working on this project, you will get their contact name on some entries. Okay, but in some maybe not available. Okay, now it's time to copy their website, guys. You can see website is also needed. So to collect their website, you will need to open this link. As you can see, their company name, their business name. So here you can see, if I just click on it, so simple, if I just click on it, you will see the link, which are hyperlink there, guys. Okay, so you will need to open this. You can directly click on it, so you will be able to move to the new website. Okay, so simply just copy their website URL. Okay, just copy it and then paste it here. Okay, and next thing is, guys, to tap their business tab. Okay, so here we already know that this is their business tab, guys. You can see accountant. Okay, so you will need to simply type accountant here. Okay, you can see this is business tab, and we are now working on the first entry, which is accountant. Okay, so we will just type here accountant. Okay, just type accountant. Okay, so guys, as you know that there are multiple data. Okay, so when you're working on that, there will be, I think, in the first page there are around 15 or maybe 20. Okay, so you will need to, guys, to click here, you can see, and you will need to select this until you complete. For example, there are more than 20, so you will need to select accounting on all of this business tab. Okay, so for example, we already complete the first entry. Now we will move to the next entry. Okay, now we will move to this one. Okay, so we will simply copy their business name. Okay, so just copy it and paste it here. Okay, now we'll go to copy their address. Okay, so here you can see it's their address. Okay, so just copy it, okay, until here, and then you will, this is their street address, and then their city, and then zip code, state, then zip code, and then okay. So when you do that, guys, then you will need to copy their email address, then their contact number. Okay, so all of the data are already available here. Okay, the process are very simple. So when you complete all of them, okay, then you will need to click here and change this to adapt to equipment and service. Just click here and then click on search. Okay, so when you click here, then you will see all other data. Okay, so now here you can see in this page we have only one data. Okay, so you will simply copy this data. Okay, and you will just type here in all of them. Okay, and then you will go back here, and here, guys, you will need to type this one. Okay, let me show you. You will need to type adapt to equipment and service, because the business tab is different. Okay, so in this case you will also need to type here different business tab. Okay, so process are very simple. Now let me show you. If you want to work on this with the help of ChatGPT, which are best way, because your time will be saved. If you want to do it manually, it will take a lot of time, but with the help of ChatGPT you can work on this project very soon. So here, guys, you will need to use this simple prompt. Okay, you can just take a screenshot from it, or you can just type it. Okay, I will copy data from a website and share with you, and you will create an Excel table and add the following column: business name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, contact name, contact email, okay, website and business tab. Okay, so you will just tap the simple prompt, and you will open the ChatGPT. Here you can see I have already opened the ChatGPT, guys. Okay, and here you will need to paste this prompt. Okay, so when you paste it, then you will need to click here. Now then you will need to wait a second. Now here you can see the ChatGPT is saying that sure, share the data with me and I will create the Excel table for you with the specific column. Once you're ready, I will provide you with the file for download. Okay, so the ChatGPT is saying that yes, I'm ready to help you. Just share with me the data and I will create an Excel file for you. Okay, so in this case you can see in this page we have only one data. So let me go to the another one. So I will simply click here. Okay, and I will move to the third one. Okay, so I will simply click here. Now in this page, guys, you can see there are also multiple data. Okay, so now to use ChatGPT, so you will need to select all the data. Okay, guys, so just select the data. Okay, just copy it. Okay, and then open the ChatGPT, and now here if I just paste it, okay, and if I just click here, now the ChatGPT will create an Excel file for us, and it will combine all the data in a base format with a few seconds. And if you know that, guys, if you want to work on it manually, just collecting, copying one by one, so it will take a lot of time. But if you want to save your time, you can use this technique, this ChatGPT, and it will help you to extract all the data in a very limited time. Okay, so just go down here. Okay, just go down. Now the ChatGPT has done their work, guys. You can see the Excel has been created successfully. You can download and using the link below. Okay, so the ChatGPT has done their work. Now we will simply download the link. Okay, just download the link, and now you can see the data will be ready. Okay, so let me just open it. Now, guys, you can see this is the result of the ChatGPT which has been done for us. Okay, so you can see, guys, they have just, and in the business tab you will need to tab here. Let me show you. Okay, let me go back, and here let me show you. In the business tab, guys, you will need to tab this one. Okay, ammunition manufacturer. Okay, so you will need to tab here until this one. Okay, and the website, guys, you can see they didn't provide me their website URL. Okay, so you will need to go manually and collect their website too. Okay, so to collect their website, I already show you the process. You will need to simply click on it and open. You just directly click on it. Okay, you'll be able to move to the new page. So they don't have their website. You can see this person don't have the website. In this case, you can directly just copy like this one. Okay, and just copy the name. Okay, and here you can search it. Okay, if you search it, I hope you will find their website online on the Google. Sometimes they don't mention their website there. Okay, so here is their website. Just copy and paste it there. Okay, and let me go back. Now this is another entry. Okay, so just click on it. Okay, they also didn't mention their website here, so you can go one by one and collect their website URL also and paste it here. Okay, so when you complete this, then you will need to move to the another one. Okay, just change this business tab to another one like this one. Okay, the fourth one, and then click on search. Okay, so when you search on it, then you will find this one. Okay, so it's very simple. Just copy and paste this one because it's one. So if there is more, then you can just copy and paste it in ChatGPT, and it will help you to collect the data. Okay, so then when you complete then go to the another one. Okay, and then click on it. Okay, So guys, don't miss the business tab. You will need to tap the business tab with all of the data. Okay, now you can see there are 3 of them. Okay, so in this case guys, you can just copy and paste. You can just use the simple prompt which I already shared with you. Okay, so here is the simple prompt guys which you can use. Okay, you can just learn on that. Yeah, you can just take a screenshot and then you can use it in the ChatGPT. Okay, I will also provide you this link too in the video description. So I hope you understand the process. Okay, it's very simple. I will provide you the link, so just open it and just do practice on it. Okay, and also don't forget to use any free VPN tool so that you can access to the website. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any confusion or issue, please let me know. See you later. Bye.